main new parts on the new design, would be obviously the lack of transmission and brake assembly replaced by a solid shaft. The plastic pulley that was on the old machines replaced by a cast aluminum pulley. The old 2-speed motor is now a variable speed motor, so we have more control over our speeds. The agitator is new, looks pretty similar to the old one, but we had to fine tune it, tweak it a little bit. This is the old transmission, and we've replaced it with just a complete solid shaft. So, multiple parts. You got the oil in here and all the assembly. Now it's just one solid shaft, and you really can't have anything go wrong. This was already reliable to begin with, and we've made it better with making it a solid piece. This drive board here controls mainly the motor. It tells the water valves when to turn on and off. It tells the pump when to turn on and off. So this is a lot of the brains coupled with the control that's in the hood in order to make the machine run like it does. Alliance as a company has a lot of experience with this type of component, very similar to what we've had in production for a couple of years on the front load washer. Little tweaks here and there just to make it applicable for top load washer use. These have all been tested the exact same standards that all of our commercial products have, all of our other electronics, and this will last the life of the machine. This is the old motor that we had. It was 2-speed motor, backwards and forwards, one way for wash, one way for spin, and that was about it. The new motor is a variable speed setup, similar to our front load washer. So, we have a lot of experience with this style of motor. We can monitor the spin speed, the agitate speed. We can monitor the load on the motor to know, if something's going wrong. Just a lot more control, a lot more technology, and a lot smarter use of the controls that we have on this machine in order to customize each cycle and each run.
All of our small chassis products are tested for 10,400 cycles for the life of the product. We had, I think, 32 machines set up, just running nonstop.
Running cycle after cycle, hour after hour, day after day. They just never stop, really. Weekends, after hours, they're just continually going.
Anywhere from the minimum load size up to the maximum the machine can handle, just running day and night, local home testing to make sure that we had all the bugs worked out on this product.
Plus, we feel very confident in the motor reliability, being that it's the same front load washer motor that we've had on for the past 3 years, used in laundromats and in homes worldwide.
It's definitely a smarter machine. We now can control it and basically have almost an infinite amount of speeds and usability with how we control and monitor the motors.
If somebody was concerned about the ability for this machine to wash to the same level that we do today, the smarts of the machine help to kind of balance that out. The machine is able to adapt to the loads better, that we aren't wasting energy on washing too hard for a load. We're not wasting too much water on a load that doesn't need it, and we're using those on the cycles and the loads that do need it. So overall, the machine's more efficient. Inverter drive board combined with the variable speed motor allows us to do our autofill, do our load sensing, and do our auto balance sensing, do variable wash speeds, do variable wash motions. Even though the thoughts of adding more electronics scares a lot of people, we've tested this so rigorously that I actually feel more confident in these than some of the legacy products.